Which do you think is the original video? Comment down below and see the before and after videos. As you can see, the difference in size is huge and the quality is almost the same. Wow, what sorcery is that? Introducing handbrake. So what do you need to do? First, open your browser and search for handbrake. Click handbrake.com and then download this file and install it on your PC. Let's try. In the meantime, while you wait, if you are new to my channel, react to this video and click that subscribe button for more videos like this. After installing, you can find your recently installed app here and recently added, or you can check your desktop. You can click this for one single video and this for multiple files. Or you can just drag it here. First, make sure you know where the output will go. Check your Save As, and then go next to When Done. After that, you can tweak it according to your own preferences. But for now, please follow along with me. Make sure this is on automatic if you do not want to crop something. You can also add filters, but I don't need to. Here we set the video into H264 by 264. You can choose your video FPS from 25 to 30. For the quality of your video, you can tweak the constant quality. You must set it on between 22 to 26. If you lower it beyond 22, it will give you a very light file but a very ugly video, and we don't want that. On the other hand, if you go beyond 26, you will get better quality videos but you will have a larger file instead. So I'm okay with 22. Finally, you can start your queue and we wait. Anyway, a tip for you for listening this long: if your PC is older than 3 years, or you have unstable connection, or your PC has lower specs, you better set your constant quality on 22 because it's not ugly and it's very light. Additionally, you can lower your FPS to 25 for a much more drastic change in size.